it's Happy Mail Queen. So I went back to Hobby Lobby, so I do have a small Hobby Lobby haul. And first of all, I had checked the clearance section and I found these modeling paste, and they were only $1.99, regular price $7.99. So I thought I'd go ahead and grab them because I think all my pastes are probably dried out, because I haven't done any mixed media in a very long time. I mean, I don't even do a whole lot of mixed media. I dabbled in it for a little bit, and then anyway, I kind of want to go back to it. So this one is the, let me see, there is a, oh, titanium white. So it looks like that. I also grabbed this, this one is the Mars Black, and there's actually two Mars Black. I didn't know which one I wanted, if I wanted texture paste or the modeling paste, so I'm going to give both a try. I'm assuming this one, okay, this one has fine grain, matte metallic texture, while this one has a more smooth, glossy look. So for $1.99, I thought, well, let me just get both. And it doesn't look very black though, but they are both Mars Black. Looks a little more gray to me. See? Okay, so I got that because they were only $1.99. And then I absolutely love this color right here. This is Ocean Green. And look how pretty that is. And it's, again, the smooth, glossy modeling paste. So I grabbed those. I did see this one clearanced Prima. So I grabbed it because it was only $1. And it's really pretty. I don't think I have a Prima like this, and I was so excited when I found this because it was just kind of sitting around in a different section. So someone must have picked it up and then decided they didn't want it or something. Anyway, so I thought, oh, the Prima stuff is on sale, but they weren't. It was only this one. I didn't find any more because I went to that section, and yeah, sure enough, they were not clearanced. But I did score on one. And I've been forever wanting this paper straw. You guys, it catches my eye every time because I just absolutely love the colors and the florals in it and the gold. I mean, this is just perfect. Like, these are all my favorites, favorite colors. So I decided to get it. It's $4.99, and I've been waiting for it to go on sale, and it has not. So I did use a 40% coupon. So yay, that was awesome. And then I did go back for my papers. So when I showed you guys the video, my last Hobby Lobby video, I shared these 12x12 papers, which are 50% off because it's Paper Studio. That was last week's sale, so which ended Saturday. So anyway, let me just share this one because I don't know if anyone's done a flip through. There might have, someone might have, but this is new to me. So anyway, you have the donuts here, really cute, and you get quite a bit. I think you get four of each design. So you have that one, you have the stars. card that my daughter made for me. It says happy birthday mommy, and then she put this little pull here, looks like a cherry, and then you pull it, and then she put you're so sweet. I thought that was a fun little element that she added. She was just very creative with this one, and I love the frosting. Love the little frosting in the front, and then she even finished the back. Look, you guys. Isn't that cute? And this was a collaborative effort. Both my kids made this card for me. Look how cute. And she put cupcakes because she knows I love cupcakes. And she even put this decorative strip here. Yeah, she just pretty much went through my stuff and used my paper and made me this beautiful card. So isn't that sweet? So yeah, that was from my kids for my birthday. So that was lovely, lovely. I love it. Okay, and then, ouch. Oh, gosh. I just dropped the paste on my butt, you guys. Ow. I was trying to move it over. And then I went back for this paper, of course, because it's just so pretty. And I forgot to grab it when I was there last. And I went back for it. And this was the only one left, you guys. So people just ran, I guess, and got this paper. It's just a fun summer themed. It's called Pretty Palms, if you guys haven't seen it. This one's a little bit thicker paper, and it kind of has a little bit of a texture to it. It's still a little bit thin, but it's thicker than the other one. So you have this design, pink and white, very pretty. So super pretty paper, you guys. So if you haven't picked this up, you could always use your 40% coupon. But this was 50% off when I bought it. So there's that. And then I was just looking around and I could not help but get this. I always like stop by the planner section just because sometimes there's pretty stickers and things, and I was always on the lookout for those other stickers that I got last time. They're planner stickers that have the little girls on them. Let me see if I can grab it, you guys. Sorry, hold on. Ooh. I'm always on the lookout for this because I just absolutely love this girl, and yeah, but I since have not found it. But anyway, so I was there and I got this because I did get a planner, you guys. Oh my gosh. And yeah, hubby's not too happy about the planner thing because he's like, you're not going to use it. That is $10, you know, that you just threw away. But but I can't help it, you guys. And I'm thinking, if the planner doesn't work out anyway, I still love the book itself, and I love the inside. Look, it has eyelashes. I mean, how cute is that? And it is a little big, but I want to get a little more organized and plan my day better because I just feel like I have not been very productive. I mean, I've been doing a lot of videos, but you know, that part I have down, okay? But yeah, I kind of have to plan my day a little better. I just feel like I waste the day away sometimes. So I'm gonna try it again. But look how cute. And then look, there she is. She's just too cute with her. I mean, she's just too cute. The big bow, the coffee, the bag. I mean, I love it. This is probably my least favorite. They look like eyeballs and a green background. I mean, that's like my least favorite. And then this one here. Oh, Happy Day. Really cute. And then look, there she is again. I mean, how can I not pick this up? I love it just looking at it. Isn't that crazy? But I think I'm going to have fun decorating this. I just want to decorate. Okay, so then there's the sunglasses. Positive vibes. I just thought it was so cute. Look at these, the cameras. And I just, you know, it's so cute, and it'll go well with my stickers. And so, of course, I had to get some pockets. And, oh, okay, so this was $10, and then this was 50% off. So that was a good deal. Not bad. And then here are, I'm sure you guys have seen this. This is like old stuff that's been there, but, and look, I had to grab this one. This was like the last one left too. So I did grab this one, and it's really cute. And yeah, I plan to put it inside my planner. So my girlfriend and I actually were planning a day to just decorate our planner. So we'll see how that goes, and hopefully I will be a little more organized. So that's it for my haul, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.